Hi everyone, I'm Ping. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make beef onion stir fry. I'm using beef shank. Have you ever used shank? I think it has better flavor and texture and resists drying out when stir fried. This dish is super flavorful. The juicy, tender pieces of beef, sweet onions with savory sauce just melts in your mouth. Served over a bowl of rice. It's pure heaven. I promise you, your family will love it. So let's get started. Beef shank. I like beef shank. It has nice texture and flavor. Remains juice no matter how you cook it. Cut shank into half. Then, against grain, slice shank into thin slices, about 2-inch length, more than 1 inch wide. For the shank, you keep slices very thin so it stays tender. Beef shank is not as popular here as in China, and I'm not sure why. Let's go into marinate beef. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, black pepper, oyster sauce, sugar, baking soda, ginger onion water. Give it a nice massage. There's no liquid on the bottom. Then, I'm going to add cornstarch. Mix well. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon oil and the sesame oil. Massage again. Then set aside for 5 minutes. Let's prepare veggies. Cut green onion about 2-inch section. Separate white and green leaf because we will use them at different time during cooking. Mince some garlic. One onion. Cut onion into half. Then cut into thin slices. I love onions. It's very healthy and release aroma during cooking. I like to take time to separate onion because this makes stir fry easier. Everything is ready. Let's go to cook. Add oil over medium-high heat. Add onion, white part of green onion. Stir fry, add a pinch of salt, pinch of sugar. Fry till onion just slightly soft. It's about 2 minutes. Then remove it. Set aside. Now, we are going to cook the beef. Add a little bit of oil in the pan. Move around the pan. When oil is hot, place beef in. Spread out beef. Do not stir about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, then stir around. Fry to 70% done. Then add garlic, stir fry and toss. Fragrancy about 10 seconds. Add rice wine to the pan so the hot pan bring out the aroma of the wine. Then add oyster sauce, dark soy sauce. Then add 4 tablespoons water. The sauce will thicken out as usual. If you cannot use wine, just skip it. When you see the sauce start to thicken, place onions back to the pan, give a few stir to mix everything together, and toss. Then, add green onion leaves. Give it a quick toss. Our dish is done. Look at the color of beef. It's juicy and tender. The onions is crunchy. Smells so good. This is why we love this dish. Everything just melts in the mouth. Once you make it, your family will love it. It's easy and quick to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Comments are always welcome. This is for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.